Hey, glow getters. What if I told you that you could set up your entire 2026 budget in just 30 minutes? No complicated spreadsheets, no hours of stress, just 30 minutes and a simple system. Today, I'm walking you through it step by step. Grab your coffee, set a timer, and let's build your 2026 budget together. Let's go. Welcome back to Finance and Glow. I'm Flo Kapoor, and if you're new here, welcome to the Glow Getter community, where we build wealth and stay radiant doing it. So here's the truth. Most people skip budgeting because they think it takes forever and it's super complicated. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? You can create a solid, realistic budget for 2026 in 30 minutes or less. I've done it, and today you're gonna do it too. No fancy software needed. No accounting degree required. Just you, a pen, some paper, or a simple spreadsheet, and 30 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan for your money in 2026. You'll know exactly where every dollar is going, and you'll feel good about it. Let's do this. Before we dive in, let me tell you why this matters. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you have a budget, you know exactly where your money is going. You stop stressing about, can I afford this? You make intentional decisions instead of impulsive ones. You actually reach your financial goals. Without a budget, you're just hoping things work out. And hope is not a strategy. Now, why 30 minutes? Because budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need 47 categories and color-coded spreadsheets. You need your income, your expenses, your goals, and a simple plan. That's it. And we can knock that out in 30 minutes. So grab a timer, set it for 30 minutes, and let's build your 2026 budget right now. All right, here's exactly how we're breaking down these 30 minutes. Minutes 1 to 5. Calculate your monthly income. First thing, how much money is coming in every month? If you have a steady paycheck, this is easy. Look at your pay stub. What's your take-home pay after taxes? If your income varies, freelance, commission, tips, look at the last 3 to 6 months. What's your average monthly income? Write that number down. Example, $4,200 per month take-home. If you have multiple income sources, side hustle, investments, rental income, add those too. Total monthly income. That's step 1. Move on. Then you list your fixed expenses. They are the expenses that costs the same every month. This includes rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance, car, health, renters, subscriptions such as Netflix, Spotify, gym, etc. And for loan payments, you may have student loans and personal loans, childcare, if applicable, and there is your phone bill and internet. Pull up your bank statements from the last 2 to 3 months. Go through and write down every fixed expense. Add them all up. Example, rent, $1,200, car payment, $350, insurance, $200, subscriptions, $75, phone, $60, internet, $50. Total fixed expenses, $1,935. Write that number down. Next is your variable expenses. These are expenses that change month to month. Groceries, gas, eating out, coffee, shopping, clothing, entertainment, personal care, hair, nails, etc., miscellaneous. Again, look at your bank statements. What did you spend on average in these categories over the last 3 months? Be honest. Don't write what you wish you spent. Write what you actually spent. Example, groceries, $400, gas, $150, eating out, $200, shopping, $100, entertainment, $75, personal care, $50, total variable expenses, $975. Now, this is where most people mess up. They budget for expenses but forget to budget for their future. Here's what you need to include: emergency fund savings. If you don't have an emergency fund, start here. Aim for $1,000 as a starter fund, then build to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Debt payoff. If you have debt, how much extra beyond minimum payments can you throw at it each month? Retirement and investing. If your job has a 401k match, you're already contributing through paycheck deductions. But can you add more to a Roth IRA or investment account? Other goals: vacation fund, new car fund, wedding fund. Example: emergency fund, $200 per month. Extra debt payment, $300 per month. Roth IRA, $100 per month. Total savings goals, $600. Now here's the moment of truth. Let's add it all up. Income, $4,200. Expenses, fixed, $1,935. Variable, $975. Savings goals, $600. Total expenses, $3,510. Leftover, $690. Okay, so you have $690 left over. What do you do with it? Option 1, add it to savings. Option 2, add it to debt payoff. Option 3, create a fun money category. Option 4, combination of the above. Or if your expenses are higher than your income, you need to make adjustments. Where can you cut? Reduce eating out from $200 to $100. Cancel unused subscriptions. Shop your insurance for better rates. Cut shopping budget temporarily. The goal: income equal expenses plus savings. Once your numbers balance, you're done. That's your 2026 budget. Okay, you have a budget. Amazing. Now, how do you actually stick to it? Here are my top 3 tips. Tip 1, track your spending weekly. Every Sunday, spend 10 to 15 minutes reviewing what you spent that week. Are you on track? Do you need to adjust? Tip 2, use the envelope method or separate accounts. If you struggle with overspending in certain categories, like eating out, try the envelope method. Put cash in an envelope for that category. When it's gone, you're done. Or set up separate bank accounts for different budget categories. Tip 3, review and adjust monthly. Your budget isn't set in stone. If something isn't working, change it. Your budget should serve you, not stress you out. And listen, if you want a tool to help you track all of this, I've linked some great budget planners and trackers on Amazon in the description. The key is, build the budget today, track it weekly, adjust it monthly. All right, Glow Getters, you just created your 2026 budget in 30 minutes or less. Here's your action plan. Calculate your income, list fixed expenses, estimate variable expenses, set savings and debt payoff goals, do the math, and adjust. You now have a plan for your money. You're not guessing, you're not hoping, you know. Drop a heart in the comments if you just created your budget alongside me. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more money tips every week. I'm Kapoor, and remember, we build wealth and stay radiant doing it. I'll see you in the next one. Keep glowing.